What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jamel Munger. We are at the LKQ Pick Your Part in Greenville, North Carolina. Not really looking for anything in particular, just see some stuff, see if we can find some stuff for the Monte Carlo. But definitely got to find a brake booster. I'm sorry for the wind noise. I got the windsock on, but could be still a little windy. But we out here to Pick Your Part, man. Well, my uncle, he's up there. Just trying to see what we can find, man. Hopefully we can find some stuff. I don't think I could bring the drone in here. I could have just used the drone to spot out a Monte Carlo or something and then just take the parts out of that, but we're just gonna shop around and hopefully I can get you guys some content, so stay tuned. Y'all, look what we have here. This looks just like my rodeo, boy. I'm definitely coming back. I need to get this. I need to get a new front part. Look, this is the same exact year as my truck. Let's see what they got on the inside. I do need a door handle or something. Still got the door handle and everything in that. Dang, this looks just like my truck. What else do I need for my truck? I definitely need this front part. Let me see what road we on. Dang, it's crazy. I definitely need this. I'll have to come out and get with the truck and come get this. Yeah. The transmission still in that bit. I can't really tell the transmission's still in there. Nah, somebody. This is like, I can't even look in front of there. I think somebody yanked the transmission out of there. That's what I need, the transmission and the front bumper joint. But yeah, my uncle done disappeared. I had to fend for myself out here. Alright, I'll stay tuned. Alright guys, this is an update. Just found a Monte Carlo. It's a newer model. I don't know if the brake booster may or may not work for it, for my 87. I don't know. What you think, Uncle Melvin? Will this one work for the 87? There's a lot of stuff back there though to get to it. Nah. Did you see any? Let me see. What year does it say? I can Google. Was it 2001 Chevrolet Monte Carlo? I can Google it and see if the master cylinder will fit. 04 Silverado. I think I'm looking at a LS. It's at 4.8 and 5.3. I don't know. Is it an LS? I think it is. I don't know. We'll keep walking though. We did see a Camaro, but they ain't have nothing on it. Alright, y'all, we're gonna keep walking. I gotta find my uncle now. Alright guys, so unfortunately we didn't see any Monte Carlos. Not the 87s anyway. So I think we may try to go find somewhere else. But I don't know if y'all know any credible junk yards for the Gbodys in North Carolina. Drop a comment below, man. Trying to get the 87 done, up and running. I'm waiting on my uncle right now. He had to ask him something. We're making some progress on the Monte Carlo. I don't want to show y'all too much. Will not bore y'all out with some content that ain't worth nothing. But yeah, we got some stuff happening to the Monte Carlo behind the scenes. So y'all stay tuned, man. Go ahead and subscribe. This ain't the end of the video, but make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Alright y'all, so the lady ran off a ticket and it said that we can use some other brake boosters from the S10 and the Camaro that we saw. So I'm back in here. We're gonna see if we can get it done. 1995 S10. Alright, we're gonna get this one. I'm gonna need a new cap. There's another one right beside it. I think I'm gonna take the pedal too. Need all that. still at it. Got up in there. We got 2 more bolts to get. Then we can pull it out. But the extension can't get past all this steering column and stuff. But we almost there, man. My uncle going to get a different type of tool so he can reach up in there. Hopefully we can get it. This extension is crazy though. He had the perfect extension to get way back in there. But y'all stay tuned, man. Alright, so we got the master cylinder off and the brake booster out. There we go. A long time coming, but we got it. That little grommet. Yeah, there you go. Ain't nothing but like a little rubber grommet, right? I'm putting it in that bucket. I don't know where the screws at for the brake. They up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna come back and get it. Alright, y'all stay tuned. About to try to get the brake pedal. Alright, y'all. Finally out of there. Got a brake booster, master cylinder. Just waiting on my Uncle Melvin. I don't know. He said he had to go back and get something. Alright, y'all. We got the master cylinder. Got the brake booster. We just got some food. We're about to head on back to good old Hosky. You think we gonna put it on today? On the Monte Carlo today? You think we can put it on? I can put it on. You just tell me what it is.
I wonder what is that gasket.
Oh, the grommet thing?
That black gasket that's stuck up there.
Oh, yeah. They might have on, what is it, advanced?
Yeah.
This is. Well, anyway, y'all, we about to head on. I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, guys, we just pulled up to K Wood's house. I'm about to attempt to put this brake booster on the Monte Carlo, man. Yeah, it's a little windy out. I do apologize if there's a lot of wind noise still. But yeah, the Monte Carlo back here, Uncle Melvin over there. We went up to O'Reilly's and they Googled it, said they didn't need a gasket for the brake booster. I'm pretty sure it should be fine. But I mean, we're gonna see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, guys, finally got it on. The S10 1995 S10 brake booster and master cylinder. I'm about to hit these lines with the wire brush before we try to put it down. Make sure that I clean that master cylinder out inside too. It's up there, brake booster up there, sturdy. It was kind of weird getting it in there. The bolts aligned, but they just didn't align all the way up. I don't know if y'all can see it with the GoPro, but yeah, all the way in, snug, tight. Everything is off of the S10. Yeah. Let's see, that might be an issue right there. Could be. Yeah, so I don't know if I had to break that loose or what. So push it in. But where the brake pedal connects to is rubbing up against this piece of metal right here. Could be an issue. I'm gonna ask about it. But also the steering column ain't up as it should be either. So I don't know if that plays a part into it, but it went in there. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I'll turn y'all back on once we get everything hooked up. Stay tuned. Alright, got the brake lines cleaned up. Alright, y'all, I guess that concludes the vlog pretty much. I guess today was a master cylinder and brake booster challenge. Got it all hooked up. I guess eventually I'm going to clean up these wires, but we got it WD-40'd up. In a perfect world, I would want to get these brake lines, some fresh new ones, but it's a budget build, man. Basically, WD-40'd everything down, put everything WD-40 on everything so it's not squeaking no more. But that brake boost is in there. It smells like WD-40. Thanks to Uncle Melvin. We had a little challenge today, but we got it done. This should be good.
Yep.
Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next video.